Hello everyone, welcome to CFD and CAT tutorials. Today in this session we'll be learning about the circle commands. To start with, let us sketch in top plane. In SolidWork there are basically two different type of circle defined based upon the parameter required. So first one is circle and it requires its center and its radius as a parameter, whereas perimeter circle requires 3 point of its circumference. Now let us go individually. So I'll click in the circle. Now for the circle I'll give my first point to be a center and I'll drag the cursor along the sketch plane to give the required radius. Now I'll click the second point. Now you can see a new menu has been blinked over here, and so it is showing here for construction. So as in case of line, the for construction, if we checked, the line used to be dash type of line, and that was not useful to have it extrude or any kind of 3D features. So similar function is here for this also, and let me show you by checking this box, and you can see here now our circle has been a discontinuous circle, and I'll again uncheck it, and we can give particular radius of the circle here also. Now I'll give it 100 say, and you can see the radius has been changed. Now let me delete the circle. Now I'll select the perimeter circle, and for this, as I've said, we require 3 different points at its circumference to define a single circle. Now whatever my first point I'll click will be the first point in its circumference. Now I'll click here. See, you can see there are other points also required to define. So I'll select my second point, and here if you notice that those 2 points has become a part of its circumference, and now the third point will be defining the radius of the circle required. Because the circle can have infinite radius, say infinite radius circle is a straight line, but it can have theoretically a infinite radius. And now I can select the third point over here, any point that is basically under the requirement of the radius. Now here also you can get the uh, mm, menu to change your radius. So say I want it to be 50, so I have clicked here 50, and it is changed to 50. But if you have noticed, the point origin is itself a part of its circumference only. Its position has not been changed, but the another last point whatever we have made, its position has been changed to adjust its radius whatever we have newly defined. So that means while we give the radius over here, the third point whatever we have clicked will be changed, that is not fixed. So you can see here we can give x parameter and y parameter also. Let me give it say 60 and 60. Okay, now you can see our circle is having the origin at 60 and it is having radius of 84.85. Now I'll change this also to 60 and say my x and y coordinate had been changed because of change in radius, because you can notice that this point itself in the origin is always fixed for this, and now since our x and y coordinates is being changed, our circle radius will automatically be adjusted to the central coordinate. So hopefully you guys might like this session also, and it might have been a useful session to you. So please subscribe my channel for further videos, and any kind of suggestion you can comment below, and for any kind of query you can comment below too, so that I can help you to solve your problems. And please stay tuned.